Hey there everybody, it's Ashley. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to dive into the world of colors. First, did you know that adding s after a color adds formality? It does. But even in informal settings, s is sometimes necessary when the word itself can be understood to be something other than a color. A good example of this is the word cafe. Even if you're a beginner, you probably know that cafe means coffee because it's a Chinese loanword that sounds a lot like the English word coffee. But cafe is sometimes used to refer to the color brown. In those situations, the color indicator word s would need to be added for your audience to realize that you're speaking of the color and not the beverage. Now, let's learn two more very useful words when it comes to colors. The first one is 鲜, first tone. It means dark. Next, 浅, third tone. It means light. Both of these words can be added before a color word to describe a color's intensity. So, how do you say my favorite color is in Chinese? Well, my favorite color is red, so let's break down this sentence for the beloved newbies among us. 我my最 most 喜欢的 light 颜色 color 是 is 红色 red. Now, let's put it all together. 我最喜欢的颜色是红色 My favorite color is red. Now let's move on to our giant colors list. Look for your favorite color, learn how to say it, and then tell your study partner what your favorite color is in Chinese. Here we go. Black,
黑
coal,
煤黑
iron,
铁黑
old copper,
古铜黑
soil colored,
土黑
soot,
炭黑
blue,
蓝
light blue,
浅蓝
dark blue,
深蓝
azure,
蔚蓝
denim,
牛仔
indigo,
靛色
lake blue,
湖蓝
ocean blue,
海洋蓝
sky blue,
天蓝
moonlight blue,
月光蓝
brown,
棕
alternative name for brown,
褐
light brown,
浅棕
dark brown,
深棕
coffee colored,
咖啡
reddish brown,
红棕
golden brown,
金棕
tan,
棕褐
gray,
灰
iron gray,
铁灰
lead gray,
铅灰
silver gray,
银灰
smoky gray,
烟灰
green,
绿
light green,
浅绿
dark green,
深绿
apple green,
苹果绿
bean color,
豆绿
forest green,
森林绿
grass green,
草绿
olive green,
橄榄绿
scallion green,
葱绿
seaweed,
水草绿
turquoise,
绿蓝
tea green,
茶绿
orange,
橙
light orange,
浅橙
dark orange,
深橙
honey orange,
蜜橙
persimmon,
柿子橙，
reddish orange,
橙红，
saffron,
橘黄，
sun orange,
阳橙，
tropical orange,
热带橙，
purple,
紫，
light purple,
浅紫，
dark purple.
深紫，
Alternative word for dark purple,
暗紫，
lilac,
芋头，
grape purple,
葡萄紫，
rose purple,
玫瑰紫，
violet.
锦，
Alternative word for violet,
紫罗兰，
red,
红，
light red,
浅红，
dark red,
深红，
bright red,
鲜红，
cerise,
水红，
chestnut,
栗，
chili,
辣椒红，
coral,
珊瑚红，
lotus,
莲红，
maroon,
枣红，
pink,
粉，
red bean colored,
豆沙，
rose,
玫瑰红，
reddish brown,
棕红，
scarlet,
绯红，
vermilion,
朱红，
white,
白，
beige,
米白，
cream.
米黄，
Alternative word for cream,
奶油，
ivory,
象牙白，
jade white,
玉石白，
oyster white,
牡蛎白，
pearl white,
珍珠白，
silvery white,
银白，
yellow,
黄，
light yellow,
浅黄，
dark yellow,
深黄，
apricot,
杏黄，
golden yellow,
金黄，
lemon,
柠檬黄，
olive yellow,
橄榄黄，
tangerine,
橘黄，
bronze,
古铜，
gold,
金，
golden,
土豪金，
silver,
银，
neon,
荧光，
rainbow,
彩虹，
multicolored.
彩色。
That's all for this lesson. I hope you'll boop that like button and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.